What is up, trappers? Check it out. We are here in the Trapway, and you can see we got the TrapBlazer back here, the Minitruck, and the TrapStar. Guys, I love this thing. I actually rode it up the street with a couple kids earlier. I seen they had their bikes out. Their dad, you know, we talked, we're acquaintance. He lives up the street, so I was like, man, I'm gonna pull the bike out and ride up the street with them. Those guys loved it. I love that thing too. I can't wait for the new stuff to come. Man, we got people creeping already. I can't see who all is there. I think one of them's Tony Morris. What's up, Tony? Man, there's a bunch on there already. Awesome, guys. What's up? We're just hanging out today. I worked on the Blazer last night, guys, so I'll give you an update on that. Somebody's pinging me there. Check it out. You see the headlights. They're in. They're glowing red. Those things are super, super bright. The whites on those are freaking amazing. I don't even need high beams, guys. We got the new high beams in there, and I'll be honest, they look dull. So I got to get up a different set of high beams that are satisfactory. They really don't need it. Those low beams are freaking amazing, and the color change is awesome, guys. But you can see we got the wheels on, the spacers, guys, but I'm a little disappointed, to be honest. Those ring lights, the brackets mount to the dust cover behind the rotor. On the back of my Blazer, I have no dust covers. So I was like, are you freaking kidding me? So I call up O'Reilly's. Eric, he's in the Napa store now. DJ, he moved to Bremen, so I just called up the Napa store, and Eric was like, yeah, we got them, we can get them. They're not on the shelf for me, guys. Darn it, usually they got everything I need, but this time they didn't. But I have to order them, so they'll be here Monday, guys. So I didn't get the ring lights in, and I didn't paint the calipers yet. I think I'm going to do all that in kind of one project. I did go ahead and put the spacers on. I was curious to see if they were going to rub in the front and see how they do. It's not bad, guys, not bad at all, and it brings these wheels out to where it needs to be. The Minitruck, guys, I've been loving this thing. Nico, he welded this thing for me. Him and his roommate, guys, huge thumbs up to those guys. I love it. It really makes this nice to drive again. I miss driving this, and like I said, the TrapStar is here. This thing's ridiculous. I love it. I can't wait for the new stuff to come. It's going to be so much fun. But let's flip this around. I'm going to show you the headlights, guys. We use my Meguiar's headlight kit, and usually, let's flip this around. Usually the Meguiar's headlight kit does really good for me, but I think I've about used all my kit, so I just went ahead and did the best I could for now. I was like, the hell with it. They're still kind of frosted up, guys. You see? They're not as bad and nasty as they were, but it's still there. So I don't know. Maybe it just needs a new set of lenses, maybe. I don't know if I'm going to work on polishing those up again for what I can buy another Meguiar's headlight kit for. I could get a light assembly to replace that. So I don't know. It's worth just the extra couple bucks just to get new headlights. And this has this chrome bezel, guys. I've never really liked this since I got the truck. I'd rather have a set of lights that doesn't have that chrome bezel. That'd be cool. But the headlights are freaking awesome, man. They have the pass by. So like when I turn my headlights on, the whites just come on. They're independent lights, and then the color change is real cool. And when it gets dark, guys, we'll definitely get out here and we'll do a light display. I didn't get the RGB one in down here for the Chevy Gang bow tie and the grills. But that's going to come, guys. Just some time. But definitely the stance on this looks a lot better with these spacers in here. Check this out. Huge freaking spacer back there. I can barely see it. It's so bright out here, guys. I don't know if you can see through the camera or not, but that big black block that's in there, that's the wheel spacer. So this truck is 5 inches wider than it would be from hub to hub. Check this out. But it really makes this truck look a lot better. It has the right stance now, especially since we're not gonna drop it. You can see right here, huge spacer. That thing's freaking awesome, but it does good. The Minitruck's out, guys. We got some more projects coming. I got the front aired up. You can see wheels are shining. We might bring it out tonight. And speaking of that, if we do, I'll probably bring this because I love this thing, guys. I got I don't know if you guys really know, but I picked this up on Facebook Market, and it had stars all over the frame. It's a Bratz from, I think they made them in the 90s, and it had stars all over the fenders, everything. But it was just covered in dust and dirt. It had been sitting in a lady's basement for over a decade. So I was like, man, I need that bike. So we picked it up, and I took the spring out of the front, and what that does is that sends the front end out, and it lowers the bike, so it gives it this long stretch look, the drop look. We put the handlebars forward like it needs to be. Took the stars off, but guys, these are kind of BMX-y. I mean, I know they're purple, but they're stock and BMXy. So we got a set of the clear jelly ones. They're purple and they have all the blue and colored sparkles in them, and those would be real nice and slick on here. And we got the jelly seat. The Bluer is nice, guys, but it's an old seat and it's got this Bratz logo. Man, motorcycle loud. There he goes. Damn. But anyway, we got the velour. It's not the velour seat, it's the jelly seat. It's the same purple with all the glitter and stuff in it. We got a new sissy bar. This one's scratched up. We ordered new fenders, guys. These had stars all over them, and I tried to clean them up and stuff, but they just lost their luster. And in the front, I didn't try to clean them up so hard. You can see, let's see if we can get this in here, but you can see where the star was still. You know, it's dirty. Damn, I can't even see my screen, guys. But in here, you can still see where the star was. I mean, I didn't get them off. So I ordered new fenders, and I didn't even bother trying to clean these wheels up like this, guys. I ordered new wheels for it. So we got a set of the 144 spokes to go on the front and back, and it comes with the coaster brake, all the new bearings and stuff. I got the run flat inner tubes for them, so that'd be real cool. Let's see, what else did we get? We got pedals, purple and chrome chain and a chrome chain guard. Man, trying to think. Oh, I ordered a set of mirrors for it too. They have the purple reflectors, and we got the dice, the jelly dice that match the handlebars in the seat. They'll have all the purple glitter in them, and they're for the valve stem covers, guys. So all that stuff will be here. I got emails, it's all shipped. So all that project to be here, guys. I can't wait. I love this thing. It's freaking awesome. So hopefully we'll get out tonight. I'm going to tell you guys about that. Let's flip this back around here. Tonight they are having a big collab meet up at Martin's. I think it's what, 1204 North Napanee Street. Somebody get in the comments and let me know if that's not the address, but I'm pretty sure that is. It's 1204 North Napanee Street, Elkhart, Indiana. Let's see, Midnight Motion from Benton Harbor. Those guys are going to be there. It'll be Night Therapy, my crew, Trap My Ride to be out, and probably a bunch more guys. We're going to share the post and try and round everybody in the area up, and that's where we're going to go tonight. And I think that starts at 8, so I have a little bit to get the Blazer cleaned up on the outside. It's got horse crap on it, guys. I took it for a drive in the country. I couldn't resist, but I want to get this thing around and make sure it's good to go and get them both out, and hopefully I'll just throw this in the back of the mini truck, and I'll have a nice seat up there, guys. But if you're out and about and you want to go hang out and you want to see the cars, come hang out with us, enjoy all the fun, that's where it's going to be, definitely. So don't miss out on that. And I want to give another shout out to Mike Johnson at Subla Graphics. Man, those guys are freaking awesome. Stickers are on their way, guys, and Mike, he made it happen for us. It'll be real cool. So guys, when you're out and about and you see me, get some stickers. Don't miss out on your stickers. You're gonna want those. I have a couple of the vinyls. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do with them. I thought about on the Blazer, thought about one on the mini truck, so I'm thinking about it, and we might get those on there. And I still have my crew sticker, guys. That project is to come, but that'd be real cool. But all the guys are hanging out, my crew on the page, all that stuff. Get your stickers, man. Get them ordered. Hit Mike up, hit Brett up, get your stickers. They're all color coordinated. Get your shirts, so when you're out and about, you know, you come out to the meets, you wear your shirt, you got your sticker, people know what's going on, man. They know. So make sure you get in there, order all that stuff, get that done, guys. But let's see, it's 2 o'clock now. I think the meet starts at 8, so I won't get there till probably like freaking 8:30, 8:45. I'm always late to everything, but I'd like to get there at, you know, a decent time. But see, we got some viewers. I see Brett's up there, Todd's up there. What is up, guys? Todd, come out, man. Bring the marrow. It'd be a good time. You should come out and join us. It'd be a big meet tonight, guys. And I think, let's see, there's a car show tomorrow in Warsaw. Brent Mishler, he sent me a demo video of that, and it actually looked really cool. And there was a green McLaren. It's freaking awesome, dude. It's one of my favorite cars. I love that. If I were to buy an exotic, I think that would probably be one of the ones I would actually buy and drive. If I bought an exotic, I probably wouldn't drive it. We'd probably just take the top off, sit in it and enjoy it, listen to the radio, flip through our phones, and then turn it back off and go inside. We'd probably never even hit the road. But that one, guys, if I had that, we'd put that on the road. That'd be a lot of fun. But that's Warsaw. Guys, get in my inbox. Hit me up with all the links to all the events. Let me know what's going on this weekend. Help me out. I'm still trying to coordinate a meet with the International Monster Truck Museum in Butler, Indiana. So that's not canceled, guys. I haven't forgotten about it. Just trying to get a real good guided tour from Dan Cook. He is the guy who started that. They were in the Cruz building up there in Auburn. Dean Cruz let them be in, I think, the war the war museum over there. They shared part of that building with those guys. And then the mayor in Butler invited them out to a vacant building that they had there in Butler, Indiana, that was real nice. And Dan Cook and those guys, they talked it out and they made it happen. And, you know, so the mayor of Butler actually brought the monster truck museum there to Butler. But we're trying to get a good guided tour, because I can go through and tell you about those trucks and show them to you, but I don't really know. Like, that guy, he knows. He has a truck there. He drove trucks back in, like, before I was born. So he really knows a lot of the history and the knowledge that he convey to you guys, and make it a lot better show than what it would be if I walked you through there. So we're trying to make that happen, guys, trying to put that together. But for real, everybody get in my inbox, blow it up. I don't care. Send me all the links to all the events this weekend, and we'll put everything together, and we'll try to bring you the best footage we can. When the dust covers come in, we're going to finish this. Kind of irritates me a little bit because I was excited, but there's always a hiccup. The headlights are okay. I'm real impressed with the lights. The lens cover, not so much. But the lights are freaking awesome, guys. And I got those at CarQuest in Bremen. Just go in and tell them you want the LED color change lights, and they can order them for you. But that's what we're doing, guys. I'm going to get around and get ready. I'm going to enjoy some of this beautiful sunshine and this great day. I'll probably sweat while I'm getting these things around and ready, but hopefully we will see you this evening. Justin, Jonathan, Tony, guys, hit me up. Let me know what you're doing. Let me know what you got going on. But everybody, Brent, Mishler, you should bring the Mustang, man, to come hang out with us. I know on the beautiful weekends you like to be on your bike and you like to run around, but just take one weekend before summer's over. Come hang out with us, man. I think you have a good time, and bring the Stang with you. But anyway, guys, that's what we're doing. I think my dogs are barking. They want to go potty, I think. Well, maybe it's the neighbor's dog. But anyway, I'm going to enjoy this day in the sunshine. And thank you all for coming out, watching with me, joining in. I love all the support I get from the community, everything. It really does mean the world. Thank you. That's what it is, guys. We'll see you tonight. Hopefully we have a great weekend ahead of us. We'll see you in the next one. Keep on trapping.